How can mypy ignore a single line in a source file? I'm using mypy in my Python project for type checking. I'm also using pyil for reading and writing the project configuration files. Unfortunately, when using the recommended import mechanism from the pyil documentation, this generates a spurious error in a try/except clause that attempts to import native libraries. On my system, cloader and dumper aren't present, which results in the errors error column module YAML has no attribute cloader and error column module YAML has no attribute dumper. Is there a way to have mypy ignore errors on this line? I was hoping that I could do something like this to have mypy skip that line.
You can ignore type errors with #type column ignore as of version 0.2, see issue number 500, ignore specific lines. PEP 484 uses #type ignore for ignoring type errors on particular lines. Also, using #type ignore close to the top of a file, skips, checking that file altogether. Source, mypy number 500. See also the mypy documentation.
Also #mypy column ignore errors at the top of the file. You want to ignore all errors works. If you are using shebang and coding line should be like this. Van Rossum comment.
Of course, the answer of this question is add #type column ignore at the end of the line that want mypy to ignore it. When I was Googled for how to ignore the files for Django migrations, this question was recommended to me several times. So I post an answer about how to ignore Django migrations. And for mypy equals 0.910, pyproject.toml is supported, which can be said as follows.
I used to ignore one line that was giving me F401 error. I am sure you can expand it to other error codes.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.